Hi guys, a little update on this solar light that I made. When I say I made it, it's the components from an existing solar light just put onto the breadboard so we can actually see the components. So it's the LED, the little chip, an inductor, a nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery, and I did use this little solar or remains of a solar panel on it, and that wasn't working well enough. That wasn't giving us enough charge current to actually charge up that battery. So as you can see, I've put an unfeasibly large solar panel on it, and that is working. If I turn the light off that's behind us, there you go. So that's charged up fine today. We've had a mixture of rain and sunshine, but that one appears to have charged up absolutely fine. I don't think I needed anything like such a big solar panel. Oh, the camera's adjusting itself. Right, is that going to stay? Yeah. I don't think I needed anything like such a big solar panel, but that was one I had available, so I plugged it in. That thing that's changing colour in the background, that's another one I was working on a while back, and that one's working absolutely fine. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.